In a pan, mix the panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Should be evenly moistened by the oil. Cook over medium heat, stirring frequently for 3 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Add 4 tablespoons Parmesan cheese. Mix. Then set aside. In a pot, add 3½ cup water, 3½ cup whole milk. Cover and bring to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, add the elbow macaroni. Turn the heat to medium-low. Stirring frequently, cook the macaroni for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 2½ cup shredded American cheese. Stir constantly for 1 minute. Turn off the heat. Add 2½ cup sharp cheddar cheese. Stir until evenly distributed, but not melted. Cover and let sit for 5 minutes. In the same pan, add cooking oil. Set on a medium heat. Cook the green chard for 4 minutes. Stir the macaroni after the 5-minute wait. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. One-quarter teaspoon ground black pepper. Stir. Add the green chard. Stir. Meal is ready. Sprinkle some panko mixture. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.